Hello people, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking, thank you for subscribing, and always thank you for showing me some love. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving a review on this product. It's called the 3 days hip hop capsule. Yes, and it comes in a packet of 10 capsules. Yes, and of course, in order for you to be able to get results, you need to use like three packets of this. And it's supposed to help enhance your hips. It's supposed to help increase the hip size of your body. Yes, and they actually say it's an organic capsule. So generally guys, these capsules helps to create or grow the hips. So I used this packet once. And guys, let me just go straight into it. I didn't actually see any effects. So I thought to myself, let me go. Of course, I reviewed about it, and the reason as to why I actually purchased it is because it had those organic herbals and all that, because it's made from some organic substances. Yes, some organic products. And I went and reviewed it. I'm not sure since I bought it, wait, I went to a certain site and just to be able to see reviews of those products, because I thought maybe I used it the wrong way and probably that's the reason as to why I didn't get products. But I was surprised because actually people left comments saying that it didn't actually really work for them. And I've tried to look at videos whereby it reviews the product, and I've actually not gotten any review that will actually tell if it works or not. They just recommend it. So guys, as you all know, I love to try out products and give you the real tea if it works. And of course, different bodies will be able to react different ways. For me, it didn't work. I'm not sure whether for other people it worked, but for the fact that I went and checked out the reviews and didn't get any specific person saying it worked for them, that is very questionable. And we all love that feeling whereby you buy a certain product and it actually works for you. And for this product, it didn't work. I won't say don't waste your money buying it, but you can give it a try. You can give it a try for a month and see if it will actually work. So I bought it for around 3,500 Kenya shillings. That is about $35. So that is the price I bought it, and I bought it from Kilimall. I bought it from Kilimall during that time. So I tried it guys, and it didn't actually work, and it didn't have any effects. Like, I've reviewed the C4 butt enhancement pills, and I can say it's I gained weight, I gained butt muscles, but these products didn't have any effects at all. When I was actually using it, it didn't have any effects at all. And because I do not have like a picture showing how the capsule looks like, I'll be able to put a picture here so that you can be able to compare. And I remember when I used it, because I used it a couple of months back ago. So I measured myself, and yes guys, to be able to confirm that it didn't actually work, I measured myself during that time when I started using it, and I still got the same results. So because I thought maybe instead of using the C4 pills, maybe I could use this and see which one really works well. So I decided going back to the C4, and for those people who have used the C4, they actually have good reports. And I've already also made a video on the C4 pills. I'll put a link somewhere here so that you can be able to watch, or you can be able to click on the description box so that you can be able to check my review on the C4 pills. So for this product, it looks tempting because it says 3 days hip hop. And that is tempting. That is really tempting. But guys, for me, I would recommend don't waste your coins. Don't waste your coins on this product, not unless you want to try it out and it actually works for you. And if you're watching this video and it has actually worked for you, just comment down below, share with us some of the tips, how you use the product and how you got the results, so that we can give it a chance. We can give it a chance and see how it actually works. Yeah, it also says here that take 1 to 2 capsules per day after meals, so you can be able to follow that direction if you are that type of a person who really wants to try it. Yes, so that is the direction for using this product, and it is organic. This video won't be so long because I don't have much to report about the product. Yes, I don't have much to report about the product. So also, guys, I just wanted to mention that I opened an Instagram page whereby I sell some of these products. I'll be able to share with you tips on where to get the products as well. But if you're that type of a person who lives far from Nairobi, or you actually want me to sell the products for you, go to my page. It's called Charm Body 254 on Instagram. I'll put the name somewhere here, or also in the description box. You can reach out to me, comment down below, ask me any questions, and I'll be able to answer those questions for you. You can also send me a DM and I'll be able to answer those questions for you as well. So guys, I have this product that I haven't reviewed yet, and I haven't used it yet. So this is the next product that I'm gonna be reviewing. This is the other product that I'm actually gonna be reviewing, and you can also get it on my page if you'd like to purchase it. It goes for 3,000 Kenya shillings. Yes, so if you want to purchase it, I've had good reviews about the product. It also have like breast enhancement capsules. Yes, breast enhancement capsules. So that is how it looks. Take a close look up. Yes, I'm gonna be reviewing it soon. And of course give a report on how the products actually work. So guys, the video has ended. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be able to answer your questions. So guys, thank you so much for the love, and thank you for clicking, and thank you so much for subscribing on my channel. Until we meet again, thank you so much guys, and see you on the next video.